The INFINIX ZERO40 5G is a powerhouse of a phone, packed with impressive specs and features. Here are some of the key specifications. Display: 6.78 AMOLED screen with a 140 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and smooth scrolling. Processor: MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, delivering effective performance and multitasking capabilities. Camera: triple rear camera setup with a 108MP primary sensor, 50MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP depth sensor. The front camera boasts a 50MP sensor with 4K recording at 60 fps. Battery: 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging, 10 watts reverse wired charging, and 20 watts wireless charging. Software: runs on Android 14 with INFINIX's XOS 14.5, offering a fast and intuitive interface. Affordable pricing: get premium features without breaking the bank. Feature-rich XOS: explore the dynamic bar, AI assistant FOLAX, and more. For cons: not waterproof, be careful with water exposure. Average camera performance: while the camera specs are impressive, actual performance might be average. Special features: GoPro partnership, enjoy seamless vlogging with the INFINIX ZERO40 5G's GoPro partnership. Prostable video stabilization: this feature ensures smooth and stable video footage, even when shooting on the move. Low light video enhancement: the phone can capture better quality videos in low light conditions, thanks to the GoPro-tuned algorithms. Action camera-like features: the phone offers features like time-lapse, slow motion, and other video modes, making it a versatile tool for content creators. AI assistant FOLAX: get assistance with tasks, translations, and more with FOLAX. Dynamic bar: stay on top of notifications, music, and more with this feature-rich bar. Wireless charging: charge your phone wirelessly for added convenience. Overall, the INFINIX ZERO40 5G is a solid choice for those seeking a powerful, feature-packed phone without breaking the bank. However, its limitations in terms of feature availability and water resistance might be a concern for some users.